Hey folks, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy, sitting here in Las Vegas, Nevada at Harrah's Resort and Casino, where a lot of people think is the luckiest thing in all of Nevada. Let's check it out. Harrah's is in the Central Strip. It was built in 1992. It was actually kind of a smaller one with only 2,542 rooms. It was originally started as a Mardi Gras themed property. In fact, the first two towers originally were called Mardi Gras and Carnival Towers. They've been kind of de-themed a little bit. Now they're Mountain and Valley Towers. But you know, we're here at Harrah's, and the main thing we're here is the good luck. And here we go. This is the family, the Greenbacks. Buck is at the head of the household, a rancher, and boy, he likes to get his gamble on, and he likes to bring the money around and have some fun, because that's what all Las Vegas is. You've got the wife, Winnie, who really loves to get her groove on and enjoy life, because there's nothing like a vacation in Las Vegas to make everybody happy and smiling. And then, of course, there's little Chip. He loves being pampered, he loves his two-footed family members, and he just loves Las Vegas too. And here we go, these are the Greenbacks. These are a statue right here in the middle of Harrah's, and it was all an idea of the original founder of Harrah's, Bill Harrah. He started out in his parents' bingo parlors up in Reno, and he was astonished at some people that just loved going on. And when he had a chance to take over the old Holiday casino that was in Las Vegas on the Central Strip, it was a steamboat, riverboat sort of themed casino that was attached to a Holiday Inn. He decided to add on a statue just for fun and games, and the thing is the people loved it so much, they started thinking that, hey, I can't start my visit here unless I come visit the Greenbacks, take a picture, take one pull at their special slot machine, and then I can have a great time. Hey guys, for you Las Vegas veterans, I'd like to know, what do you guys think is lucky in Las Vegas? What do you do to get the luck on? Comment below, I'd like to know. Legend has it that Buck and Winnie and their dog Chip are made up of a family that Bill Harrah had based on real people he had met early on in his dad's bingo hall in Reno, Nevada. The statue was created by artisans Conversano and Chiodo, special by Bill Harrah and Harrah's Casino. And again, it's been incredibly popular ever since. Lots of people come by and they will refuse to start their trip in Las Vegas before first coming by, getting a selfie with them, maybe putting in a few quarters or a couple of dollars in the bin to keep it going, just to get the good luck started and start their time in Las Vegas on the right note. It's just simply a thing of Bill Harrah that just continued on. Of course, Bill Harrah's group turned into Harrah's, which became a cross. They ended up buying Caesars Entertainment. In fact, changed the name to Caesars Entertainment. And so everything like that really started with these two lovable, cartoonish, fun little folks. Hey guys, again, this is Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy, and on my channel we talk about everything having to do with travel in general and in Las Vegas specifically. And we'd love to know if this is good for you. Please comment below. If you dislike what we did, hey, give us a thumbs down, that's okay too. But also, if you have any other type of subjects you'd like to hear about from Las Vegas, or how to travel from a retired history teacher and a tour professional, I would love to hear what your thoughts are, and whatever you might like to do as far as asking questions, I can take care of it later on. Until next time, guys, be safe, and we'll see you next time you're in Vegas. Bye-bye.